Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Parsons Elementary, home of the Pirates, in Gibraltar, Michigan, in Gibraltar School District. And the main focus of today's talks to the kindergarten through fifth graders was all around the power of kindness. And it was so cool because this was in conjunction with the Be Kind challenge that the school is doing currently. They're on day 11. And today's one act of kindness, they're trying to strive to at least do something different and unique to be more inclusive, be more respectful, be more kind. But the one today was to write a thank you note to the cafeteria workers. So in addition to these, what we really tried to hammer home with the conversation from today's assemblies was how we can take this past, the 20 days, the 21 days that we're showing this kindness here, and make it a part of our life every day going forward. That just one act of kindness can potentially change a life forever, sometimes even save a life. And when we know the impact of our actions on someone else's heart, that our words, can change someone's heart as big as our fist and turn it into this peace sign by what we say or do, then we know that it's our job, that no matter what we're going through, and a lot of tears happen today, that's okay, that's the sweat of our strength. What I was telling so many of these students is that once they become healed, now they can start to go help and heal other people, right? Healed people heal people. That before the hurt people, we can choose that, which is sometimes the easy route to take, to push our pain on someone else, or we can let this kindness and knowing our worth and our value start to heal our hearts, and then start to show this kindness and be the light to other people's hearts around this school, around our community, on this planet, which desperately needs that love. So thanks for touching my heart. Never forget, you guys are true miracles, like the M etched on all of our palms. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. We never forget how amazing each and every one of us are, no matter how we're born, no matter our background, no matter what we're going through, that we can still always choose kindness, we can still always choose love, and we truly need to. You guys touch my heart. You guys are beautiful. Thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Peace.